Good evening, everyone. This is your host, Kyle Matthew Virata, and you're watching KB News Tonight. We will talk about the COVID-19 pandemic with a special guest, my aunting godmother, Catherine Virata Martinez. Good afternoon to you and to the other side of the world in Europe.
Good evening, Kyle, and to your side of the world in Asia. Thanks for having me on your show.
I would like to talk to you about COVID-19. In your opinion and actual experience, what are the negative effects of COVID-19 in our family?
COVID-19 has truly affected a lot of people in the world. For our family, among its negative effects, we were not able to enjoy vacation time or get together as family. We don't even travel together because of the pandemic. We only resort to video calls. And right now, we cannot socialize with other people like we used to.
I fully agree with you. But looking at the bright side, what can you say about the positive effects of COVID-19 pandemic in our family?
I like that you're also thinking about the positive effects of COVID-19. The positive effects, among all other things, is that we're thankful for the blessings. Previously, we are focused on what to buy, where to eat, but right now we should be thankful to God that we have a roof on our head, we have food to eat, we have good health of our family members. We're now more resourceful and creative in doing things. And we also watch out for the less fortunate brothers and sisters in our community by helping out.
Okay. Having to see people happy with what we share with them during this pandemic also makes us happy. What else do you think we can do to cope with the effects of COVID-19 pandemic?
The effects of COVID-19 will be here for long. So we should be able to still clean our environment, wash our hands, keep a safe distance so that we don't bring the virus to other people and also don't get the virus for ourselves. And still, more importantly, help out in the community and reach out to those in need.
Thank you for your comments and words of wisdom.
You're welcome. You're such a great interviewer.
I learned from the best. And that's the end of our interview. Thank you all for watching. And this is Kyle Matthew Ferrata. And again, this is KB News Tonight.